G'day everybody and welcome to my review of the Gold Standard. Now the Gold Standard is a new product. It's only just been released on Warrior Plus and it's a joint venture between Dawud Islam and Arinzi Gold. Now Arinzi is a new marketer. This is his first launch that he's doing in conjunction with Dawud. It's called the Gold Standard, and essentially what it's about is that Arinzi takes most of the lead in explaining and giving a tutorial on how people can start a YouTube channel without showing their face or not necessarily being or having the ability rather of English being their first language. Now, a lot of people do suffer from this problem of not wanting to be on camera, but do desire to have a YouTube channel and all the benefits that it can bring for an individual. So I think, this product, I think I paid $11.95 US for it. It's not a high ticket product. The training in it, just bear in mind that this is Arinzi's first attempt at running a product, and I really want to encourage him with that. It's a good piece of information, and I'm going to cover later why I think that this is something that you should pick up if you are interested in getting on board with running a YouTube channel and you don't want to show your face, because it will give you tips and tricks. The whole training is not particularly long, but you're only paying $11.95. So I'm going to show you a little bit later some other features within this product that's supported by Dawud that really makes this a no-brainer offer because it's just packed with added value. Okay, so I think you should pick this up. Give Arinzi a chance. It is his first product, as I say, and if you're a marketer yourself, you know that most people don't actually get around to actually launching a product. So it might not be to everyone's liking, but I think we should give this guy a chance and support him because he's actually taken action to come up with a product that essentially isn't that bad, to be fair. Okay, so what we'll see on the screen now, if you follow my mouse, we've got a welcome. This is presented by Dawud himself and an overview of the Gold Standard. Then we get into the main training section. Now, these sections are not particularly long, but they do cover key components of what you will need to start a YouTube channel. So you get an introduction from Arinzi, and then affiliate marketing and finding offers on JVSU, finding offers on ClickBank, videos without your face. This is what's going to appeal to a lot of people, I think. Making your demo, piggy bank method, using Fiverr gigs, making your video unique, parts 1 and 2, uploading titles and thumbnails, wrapping things up, how to use the resources and how to promote. So again, guys, it's $11.95, and I am going to put a link in the description below, and I'm also going to be offering some great bonuses to entice you to pick up and support Arinzi with this product, and the details of my bonuses are in the description of this review as well. Now, what Dawud has done as well, which I think is absolutely amazing, Dawud has included his product called Brown Bear Bargains. Now, I'm going to flip over and I'm just going to show you what you get. Now, this is included, okay? This is the majority of Dawud's products in actual fact. And if you just look at all the products that he's including, and if you imagine that all the front end prices of these are around about 10 or 11 bucks, look at how much value you're getting for $11.95, guys. This is really, that's why I said earlier, this is a no-brainer. Okay, so you're getting all of these. I'm not going to run through all of them. I'm just going to say that this is a massive amount of content. Now, I personally have purchased this product, Puma Products, because that is a course on how to launch your own product. So, there's others as well. Some of them might not be to your liking, but you're going to find something that you do like in there. Okay, and again, $11.95, guys. You're getting some additional bonuses as well within this package from Dawud. from other marketers. He's given you free squeeze page resources, top recommended resource, conclusions, and some other bonuses, and an unadvertised bonus as well. So, what are you getting here? You're getting tons and tons of value for $11.95. It's I'm not too sure which part of the world you're from. It's probably the cost of a coffee and a macaroon or something like that. It's really such an enormous amount of content. So again, you're getting some bonuses as well in the gold standard and some unadvertised bonuses thrown in. So I am going to promote this. I'm not going to be critical of Arinzi. I really want to take my hat off to him, in actual fact, for taking the action and getting this product out. And I'm sure he has learned a lot from this. And I'm sure that we're going to see other products that come from him, and he's going to improve on each and every one of them. So again, hats off Arinzi. I think it's an amazing achievement for you to have done this, and also to Dowd for supporting him, because that's really an amazing effort as well for someone who's more experienced to be supporting the younger marketers who are coming through. Okay, so that's it. That's a wrap from me. So just to reiterate again, the gold standard Arinzi first product launch, $11.95. I'm putting a link in the description below. You've got a ton of value in here that's been provided, how I've shown you, the gold standard plus brown bear. And I'm going to throw in my bonuses as well, which are in the description. Again, tons of value. You're getting just so much for $11.95. So go ahead, grab your copy of the gold standard, and we'll see you on the inside. Thanks, everybody.